Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. Today, I want to talk about the Blizzard blanket. Even in the summertime, trauma patients can get cold, okay? As their temperature starts to drop, bad things happen inside their body. So even in the middle of summertime, we want to keep patients warm. It's easier to prevent hypothermia, the patient getting cold, than it is to fix it. This blanket is huge. So if you buy the cheap one, no problem there. If you're on a budget, you really need two of them to kind of cover the patient up from the bottom and wrap it on the outside. And it may not be big enough to cover from head to toe. This one is. So it's big enough to lay it on the ground, put the patient inside, wrap it over, cover their feet, cover the head. So it's plenty big enough to cover the entire body. So I think this is worth taking a look at. If you hike, you're outdoors hunting, ATV in, whatever you're out there doing, I think this is worth throwing into your first aid kit. So, hope this video helps. I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.